Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: a company has a centralized group of users with large file storage requirements that have exceeded the space available on premises. The company wants to extend its file storage capabilities for this group while retaining the performance benefit of sharing content locally. What is the most operationally efficient AWS solution for this scenario? Option A: create an Amazon S3 bucket for each users. Mount each bucket by using an S3 file system mounting utility. Option B: configure and deploy an AWS storage gateway file gateway. Connect each user's workstation to the file gateway. Option C: move each user's working environment to Amazon Workspaces. Set up an Amazon WorkDocs account for each user. And option D: deploy an Amazon EC2 instance and attach an Amazon Elastic Block Store. Provisions IOPS volume. Share the EBS volume directly with the users. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: which of the following are economic benefits of using AWS Cloud? Choose two options. Option A: consumption-based pricing. Option B: perpetual licenses. Option C: economies of scale. Option D: AWS enterprise support at no additional cost. And option E: bring your own hardware model. The correct answer is option A and C. Next question is: who is responsible for managing IAM user access and secret keys according to the AWS Share Responsibility model? Option A: IAM access and secret keys are static, so there is no need to rotate them. Option B: the customer is responsible for rotating keys. Option C: AWS will rotate the keys whenever required. And option D: the AWS support team will rotate keys when requested by the customer. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: which of the following describes AWS local zones? Option A: a cluster of data centers in one geographic location. Option B: a site used by Amazon CloudFront to catch frequently accessed content. Option C: an extension of an AWS region to more granular locations. And option D: one or more data centers with redundant power and networking. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: a company wants to improve its security and audit posture by limiting Amazon EC2 inbound access. What should the company use to access instances remotely instead of opening inbound SSH ports and managing SSH keys? Option A: EC2 key pairs. Option B: AWS Systems Manager Session Manager. Option C: AWS Identity and Access Management. And option D: Network ACLs. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which duty is a responsibility of AWS under the AWS Shared Responsibility Model? Option A, Identity and Access Management. Option B, Server-side encryption. Option C, Firewall configuration. And option D, maintaining physical hardware. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, a company is building an application for stock trading. The application needs sub-millisecond latency for processing trade requests. The company uses Amazon DynamoDB to store all the trading data that is used to process each trading request. A development team performs load testing on the application and finds that the data retrieval time is higher than expected. The development team needs a solution that reduces the data retrieval time with the least possible effort. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A, add local secondary indexes for the trading data. Option B, store the trading data in Amazon S3 and use S3 transfer acceleration. Option C, add retires with exponential backup for DynamoDB queries. And option D, use DynamoDB accelerator to catch the trading data. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, a developer needs to modify an application architecture to meet new functional requirements application. Data is stored in Amazon DynamoDB and processed for analysis in a nightly batch. The system analysts do not want to wait until the next day to view the processed data and have asked to have it available in near real time. Which application architecture pattern would enable the data to be processed as it is received? Option A, event driven. Option B, client server driven. Option C, fan out driven. And option D, schedule driven. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, a developer is adding a feature to a client-side application so that users can upload videos to an Amazon S3 bucket. What is the most secure way to give the application the ability to write files to the S3 bucket? Please go through the options. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, a developer has a legacy application that is hosted on premises. Other applications hosted on AWS depend on the on-premises application for proper functioning. In case of any application errors, the developers want to be able to use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor and troubleshoot all applications from one place. How can the developer accomplish this? Option A, install an AWS SDK on the on-premises server to automatically send logs to CloudWatch. Option B, download the CloudWatch agent to the on-premises server. Configure the agent to use IAM user credentials with permissions for CloudWatch. Option C, upload log files from the on-premises servers to Amazon S3 and have CloudWatch read the files. And option D, upload log files from the on-premises server to an Amazon EC2 instance and have the instance forward the logs to CloudWatch? The correct answer is option B. Thank you.